backup. What I will do through user interface task backup. I see backup type. What type of backup I want to take? Full differential. Where is the log backup? Why we are not seeing log backup type as log here?
Because the recovery model is simple.
Yes, because as the recovery model is simple, there will be no transactions in the log file.
Yes.
So if there is no transactions, what is the use of taking log backup? Which is the reason it is disabled. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead now. The question is same. Please explain the recovery models of database.
There are like three recovery models in SQL Server. One is simple recovery model, full recovery model, and bulk log recovery model. In simple recovery model, the transaction logs will not be stored. So that is the reason simple recovery model will be in simple recovery model only the data files can be recovered and transaction files will not be available. And in full recovery model,
See, you are going to the files. Okay, you are recovery model need to be stick to the transactions only.
okay,
No data files, no log files, different story.
okay, only the data and the transaction.
Before that, I will tell you the related to the backups today, so that you will get a view on that. Okay, so let us look into the concept of backups. So after this, you will get a clear idea. So here backup strategy. Okay, let me complete this also, so that you will be able to understand this. Okay, these are not required as we have. Okay, so here the recovery. So in backups, what is a backup? As I was explaining you yesterday, related to the backups. Okay, so if you see here, backups are of three types. Basically, three types. There are another types. We don't want to look into that. Backups are of three types: full backup, differential backup, log backup. So what is full backup here? The backup, suppose you have, I want to take this database backup. You have 10 rows in the backup, 10 rows which is saved, 10 rows which is saved in the table. Okay, so if I take full backup, all the 10 rows will be there in the backup.
Okay.
I will show you an example. So first we'll create a new table, new database, and we are giving it as backup types. Okay, this is backup types, and the properties of this options by default in the model database, it is full. So recovery is full here. So we will be in full recovery model. We can take full backup. Recovery model, backup. What happens is recovery model in full recovery model, bulk log, simple. But if you come to the backups, full backup, differential backup, log backup. Okay. So here we will see create one table, new table. 1 minute, we'll get some. Not getting created. Okay, we will take a table. So here what I'm doing is I'm creating a table. Okay, I don't want all this. We'll leave everything. Create table. I want to create a table in this. So the syntax for creating the table is, let us create. So now what we are doing is, think that this is not having any tables or nothing is there. What I'm doing is I want to take the backup, full backup here. I'm selecting full backup here, and I want to, I'll explain this option. Let me first take a full backup. So I just want to see the script where the location is. So you can see the backup. What is the syntax here? It is important here to understand, to know the syntax. Backup database. What you're doing? You want to do backup. Which one you want to backup? Database. So you have two databases. Out of which one you want to take backup? I want to take backup of this one. Okay. So what is the activity? Taking a backup. Of which? Is it a table or database or what is that? So out of multiple databases, which database you want to take? Okay. Where you want to take to? Where you want to this backup to happen to? I want this to go to disk. But in which location? I have multiple files, multiple drives, multiple folders. Which location I want to save is C drive. In C drive, where I want to save, let us see an example. We'll create a new one, folder, backup full. I have created a folder called backup full. So where I want to save the backup, in this location. What is the name of the backup you want to give? What I want to give is, name of the backup is, you want to give backup underscore type database name underscore. I want to understand when it got taken, dot BAK. What is BAK? BAK is a file extension for a backup, full backup. So you understand the syntax, each part.
Yes.
Backup
Database is a command.
database name,
to
where you want to save the backup,
the file name,
this location, and what is the name of the file you want to save. This is the name. As it is full backup, it will be a .bak. Now I will execute this. What happened? See here, processed 520 pages for the database backup types. What are these pages? We didn't save anything, right? But there will be a system related information already will be there, like system table. 1 minute. System information will be there, wherein we will have